Hi there, this is Anju and welcome to my channel. This week I have made 4 colorful figure magnets. Now these figures are in poses of Indian classical dances. There are many kinds of Indian dances, but I have chosen just 2. One is Odissi and another one is Bharatnatyam. For this project I have used polymer clay. One is Sculpey Original and another one is Super Sculpey Medium. I have mixed these two so that it can become workable, at least for me. I hope you like this week's video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to like and share. So let's get right to it. Here I have rolled a conditioned clay and then I have overlaid a picture of figure that I wanted to trace. I used a pencil to trace the picture so that I can make impression of it on the clay. Once the picture was traced, I traced it over with the pencils. Once I traced the figure, I cut it out. This step is a little bit time consuming, but it's worth it. Once I cut out the figure, then I shaped its hands and arms and feet a little bit, and then I sculpted it so it will look three-dimensional and not completely flat. Here I am sculpting her costume. That is basically a sari. That is called silk sari or sambalpuri sari or patta sari. They are usually very brightly colored saris and also embellished with gold and silver threads. Now I've started sculpting their jewelry. There is a piece of jewelry that goes around their vests. That's what I'm making here. Here I made her bangles. Then there is another piece of jewelry that goes on her biceps. Now here are the earrings. Here I'm making a piece that goes around her hair bun. Now this piece is covered with white flowers. Here I'm making her necklace. Basically it's a choker. And then she wears another necklace as well. This jewelry that goes on the top of her head is called Mang Tikka or Matha Patti. Time to bake it. Now, time for painting. Here I am painting her headpiece white because, as I said before, the headpiece is covered with white flowers. Odissi dance jewelry is usually silver or white, so I decided to paint it silver. After the painting was done, I applied glossy varnish over it. And now this figure is turned into a magnet by sticking a magnet on the back of it. I made altogether 4 magnets, as you can see. And now here are the magnets on refrigerator. They surely add decor on your refrigerator as well as kitchen. Don't you agree?